In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. This can be any design you're currently working on, whether it's a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or another type of visual project. Once your project is open, you're ready to add a new layer simply by adding a new element to the canvas. To do that, go to the left toolbar and choose a new piece of content to place into your design. In Adobe Express, a layer can be something like a photo, a text box, a shape, an icon, or another graphic element. You can either use content available inside Adobe Express or upload your own depending on what you need for your design. For this example, let's use the Add Content option from the left toolbar. After clicking that, select Media. From the Media section, choose a photo you want to use. As soon as you click on the image, it will be added directly to your project. This is the key idea to remember. Every time you add an element like this, Adobe Express places it into your design as its own separate layer. Once the new element is on your canvas, head to the top right corner and click Layers. This opens the Layers panel where you can see all the layers currently included in your project. If your project has multiple pages, the panel will show the layers for the specific page you're working on, which makes it easier to stay organized. This panel is especially useful when your design starts to include several overlapping items. Instead of selecting elements directly on the canvas and guessing which one you clicked, you can use the layers list to identify and manage them more precisely. If you want to change which item appears in front or behind another item, you can adjust the stacking order. To do that, select the layer in the Layers panel, then drag it upward or downward in the list. Moving a layer higher usually brings it forward in the design, while moving it lower sends it farther back. This is helpful when you want text to appear on top of a photo, or when you need a shape to sit behind another graphic. As a quick tip, after rearranging your layers, take a moment to look at your canvas and make sure everything appears exactly where you want it. Small layer changes can make a big difference in how clean and polished your final design looks. And that's it. That's how to add layers in Adobe Express and organize them by changing their order in your project.